Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a basic felt crochet stitch. You will need to know just how to do a treble crochet. Now to start off, you want to do multiples of 24. My apologies, multiples of 12 plus 1. So I'm going to do a quick 24 chains followed by the plus 1. Now for this pattern, it is a little bit complicated, but you will end up just repeating rows 1 and 2 through the whole entire size of the pattern. So I'll be showing you how to do rows 1 and 2 and then 3, so you can kind of see how everything turns out. So here we are with all of our chains. To start out, we want to chain 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, we want to do a treble crochet, followed by 3 more treble crochets across. So 1, 2, and 3. Then we will chain 2, skip 2, and treble crochet. And again, we will chain 2, skip 2, and treble crochet. Now we will chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet, and then 3 more treble crochets. Now we will chain 2, skip 2, and treble crochet. Chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet, and chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet, and that completes row 1. And you can kind of see the patterns is going to just be a whole bunch of squares, either empty squares or filled in squares. So the next row, we are going to chain 5, and we are going to skip the chain 2 space, and we are going to treble crochet right there. Then it'll be 2 treble crochets in the chain 2 space, and then a treble crochet into the next stitch. Followed by chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet into the next stitch, chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet into the next stitch, so chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet into the next stitch, followed by 2 treble crochets in the chain 2 space, a treble crochet in the next chain. Then we will chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet, chain 2, skip 2, and we'll do our last treble crochet for that row. And you'll just repeat the patterns from 1 and 2 until you reach your desired height. And you can kind of see how the first row is 3 empty squares, 1 full, 3 empty, 1 full. And then the top square is 2, 1, 3, 1, 1. It's kind of a fun pattern of how the texture ends up turning into. So let's go ahead and start row 1 again as row 3. So chain 3, treble crochet into the first stitch, two treble crochets into the chain 2 space, one treble crochet, chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet, chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet, chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet, then 2 treble crochets in the chain 2 section, followed by 1 last treble crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet, chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet, and in this last section we will chain 2 and we will do our last treble crochet into the side chain, and this will end up giving it a nice even edge. So right there, and there you have it. It just repeats row 1 and 2, and that is how you do the basic felt crochet stitch. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day.